everybody, welcome back. Welcome back. We have the H26 over here, and today we are going to be running series. So we're running 2 batteries, 2S, 2S to equal 4S. So that's what we're doing today. So I'll tape her up. I got the GPS inside for shits and giggles. We all know she does about 45 to 50 with this setup. Well, at least how I'm driving it. I put on a Big B ironclad prop. This is a 4214 stainless steel oxidine that he sent me. We'll see how it works. So I'll tape everything up. I'll get everything to get going. Here, she's already tracking. No, not yet. Just waiting on some satellites, guys. So let's get her going. Make sure we got everything right. Double check steering. Look at that. Oh man, I forgot to zip tie this bellow. All right guys, here we go. I forgot to tell you guys, so the 2 packs we are running are Ovonic 8000 2S 130C is what they're calling them. Oh, come on. Now you're coming in the water. All right, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Let's hope this bellow stays on. I didn't have a zip tie, so I just kind of taped it. Let's see what we got. Get these birds out of the way. Feeling pretty planted with this rooster, with this prop, guys. Look at that nice rooster tail. Just feathering the throttle, guys. Not a big area over here, birds everywhere. Running not bad. Just trying to keep her close, guys. There's literally birds everywhere. Come on, birds. Definitely putting up a nice rooster tail in the turns. Look at that. Ooh. She likes this prop, guys. 4214 stainless oxidine. She's getting flighty though. Getting flighty. I mean, she's taking this chop right here, guys, no problem. All right, now they moved a little. Throw her into a turn. Just trying to concentrate, see what she's doing, guys. Don't want to crash her into a bird and have someone come yell at me or break her, you know? I tell you what, these Ovonic packs are definitely not as punchy as the SMC packs. Ghost Rider requesting a flyby. Negative. Pattern is full. Just going over that chop pretty good, guys. Taking these turns, boys. Taking these turns. She's dialed right now. I had to talk. I had to talk, huh, guys? Let's hope that bellow stayed on and we're not flooding her right now. We'll find out in a second if she makes it back. Something moved around, probably the GPS. Doesn't seem like the batteries, but back at the picnic table. Over here today on the other side of the lake, because I'm hoping to go to the forbidden waters over there tomorrow, maybe run the gas boat before the lifeguard gets here. Yep, GPS flying around. Flew out of here. Let's see what she did. Let's see what she did, guys. Let's guess. Let's guess. 45. Come on, Bluetooth. Ha! I was right. I was right. All right, let's check the voltage on these batteries real quick and see how drained they are. $2S packs, guys. So these are the 2S Ovonic 8000 milliamp. Let's see what we got here. Just about ready to pull them out. Let's check some temps. All right, let's check this. 95, 70, all right. Let's check these capacitors, guys. 110 on the capacitors, 105 on the cooling plate. Batteries 96. Not bad, guys. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. These batteries are okay. I mean, they're affordable, I'll tell you that. I think they're like 50 bucks for 2 batteries, but then SMC has some really good batteries. It just the 2S packs that he has are either not in stock, or the 4S packs that I want are not in stock for this, because I do want to run in parallel. Right now we're running in series 2 2S. I want to run 2 4S's, but SMC is out of stock with the ones that I want. So here are these packs, guys. These Cheapo Depot Ovonic 8000 130 milliamp. They're okay. They're okay. I do not have, I'll tell you what, boys, I do not have any SMC packs today except for these 2 tiny 3S's. And we all know what that goes into. Right over there. So, guys, you know what? These are 5200 2S Same brand, Ovonic, Cheapo Depot. These are ADCs. These are actually kind of like, not that great. We're gonna call it with this one right now, guys. We're gonna call it. We're gonna let her chill, do her thing. She ran good. This 4214 Oxidine prop was really nice. I was really happy with it. She was very stable. Great prop. Great prop, guys. We ran just one set of batteries. We're gonna call it. We've got some other boats to run. We got some stuff to do. There she is, Christmas boat, getting ready for the holidays. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Quick short video, quick rip. We'll see you later.